everyone, my name is Juliana and welcome to the Midwest Mixer. After spending almost a decade in the bar industry, I wanted to be able to share some delicious cocktail recipes with you that we can make in the comfort of your own home. Today, we're gonna get started with something that's near and dear to my heart and one of my favorites, the Wisconsin Old Fashioned. What you're gonna need today is some maraschino cherries, orange slices, Demerara syrup, Angostura bitters, your favorite brandy, and of course your favorite lemon lime soda. Don't forget your rocks glass and your ice. Let's get into it. First, we're going to start off with 6 dashes of Angostura bitters. Then we're going to do 0.25 ounces of the Demerara syrup. We're going to get a beautiful maraschino cherry and a delicious orange peel, orange slice. Then once we get to this stage, we're going to go ahead, we're going to muddle. Then we're gonna take our favorite brandy and we are gonna do 2 ounces of our favorite brandy. Once we get to this stage, we're gonna add in some ice. We're gonna top with our favorite lemon lime soda. And then for a garnish, we're gonna take our wide peeler. Be careful with this guy. Get a beautiful orange peel, stab through on one side, stab yourself a maraschino cherry, go through on the other side, and place on top. And there we have it, the Wisconsin Old Fashioned. Until the next pour, cheers!